Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Swizzle Reverse Slidebreak. Now you need to know how to do a swizzle already, and a standard slide break would be fine. There is also a Swizzle slide break, but you don't need to know that already. Links in the description below. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now you could have walked around for longer, and you could attach this to any swizzle type move you like. We just did it straight from a prep into the swizzle. You could have done it off an arm drive swizzle, you could have done it off loads of other kinds of swizzles. So this is just a simple bare minimum version. So we go semicircle back, two hands. We come in and prep, the left hand up by the shoulder, right hand down by the lady's hip. We turn the lady, the right hand goes down, folds up behind the back, so it's just a standard entry to a swizzle. We take the left hand down and out to the left, guy's out to the left. So with the guy out on the left hand side, this is where we start to set up our slide break. If I was on the right hand side, I'd be setting up a slide break. Because I'm on the left, I'm going to be setting up a reverse slide break. So as we send the lady into a return, the left hand goes down onto the lady's shoulder, the right hand unfolds. Once we've got the lady looking to our left, we can use the hand on the back to start the lady walking forwards. We can start walking forwards as well. We take the right hand up, goes over our head, and we can actually let go because that hand's not going to be there very long. We get a little bit of a walk. We're then going to use the hand behind the lady to guide the lady across our back and send her up the right hand side. We're going to offer our right hand, so as the lady comes around, she catches that right, and that was actually in a return direction, so you're now ready to go immediately into another move. Okay, let's break that down with some numbers. So we go back, 1, prep to go into the turn, 2, turn 3, swizzle position 4, onto the shoulder 5, walking, bringing the hand up 6 and 7. We guide the lady around 8 and then up facing on 1. You could have walked for longer. Okay, so let's do it. It goes 5, 6, swizzle reverse slide break. It's a back, prep, turn, look, shoulder, walk, walk, guide and catch. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Use it somewhere out on the dance floor. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and do tell your friends about us. The more dancers watching, the better. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.